Fresh in today is this Swift Elegance 835 2024 model, fitted with E&P self-leveling and Truma air conditioning. It's GRP side panels, diamond cut alloy wheels. This one has been super guarded from new. Top spec with external main socket, barbecue point, access locker under the bed, high gloss white units, fitted microwave, oven with 3 gas rings and 1 electric hot plate, large domestic fridge with freezer compartment. So Truma Aventa air conditioning. Now this one's got the central washroom, fantastic size, lots of room to change and storage wise, separate shower, a good sized wardrobe, and the rear bedroom area which has a pull out bed, again ample storage, electric sunroof and a further wardrobe. Aldi wet central heating and 8 foot wide. This one is coming to us at 36,495 and is ready to view now.